Opposition Congress MLA K. Meghachandra today drew the attention of the House over the violence erupted in New Delhi, where at least 5 people died during protests against CAA yesterday. Given the circumstances, the minister felt that it is necessary for Manipur government to take up steps to allay the fear of Manipuri students in the national capital. Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal, Professor S. Santa today announced that 7 pay will be implemented for pensioners of the hospital. He informed this to media at the director's conference hall RIMS. He said the hospital has over 900 pensioners and that the decision comes following approval from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Raj Medicity Imphal today celebrated its 16th Foundation Day. Mahut Minister T.H. Shyamkumar, Raj Medicity Chairman cum Managing Director Hafizam Rajan, PDA Chairman T. Mangi Babu, Jiribam MLA Mohammad Asabuddin and State Health Services Director Dr. K. Rajo, along with the staff of the private hospital, attended the function. Chief guest of the event, Minister T.H. Shyamkumar stated that physical exercise is a must in order to maintain good health and at the same time, it can have long-term health benefits. Violence continued for the third consecutive day in several parts of northeast Delhi, especially Manipur, Brahmpuri and other adjoining areas. As per reports, a police head constable was among 5 people who died in violence that took a communal color and spread to other parts of northeast Delhi, as organized groups attacked each other, setting shops and vehicles on fire yesterday. On Monday, 5 people, including a policeman, were killed and over 50 injured after Northeast Delhi witnessed clashes over the CAA. South Korea aims to test more than 2 lakh members of its SARS at the center of its SARS in coronavirus cases, while the United States pledged $2.5 billion to fight the disease, as it spreads rapidly beyond China's borders to Europe and Middle East. As per reports, the White House said more than $1 billion would go towards developing a vaccine, with other funds earmarked for therapeutics and stockpiling of personal protective equipment such as masks. Commemorating the age-old relationship between the Meitei community and Maram community, the Meitei Lipun and Maram Union jointly organized a program retracting fast and nurturing shared heritage of Maram and Meitei at the Royal Palace in Imphal. The titular king of Manipur, Laisemba Sanajava and Sagung Kang Namba of Maram graced the event. The event witnessed presentation of gifts and exchange of rice, wine and souls among the dignitaries. Bridge Demand Committee Iril River today blamed the PWD for the ongoing dispute between 2 villages of Huidrom Sector and Loksangkhong, due to which the construction of a RCB bridge over Iril River has been delayed, though soil testing and geotagging on the construction site was completed in 2015. A border security force BSF Jawan died following a speeding truck hit him along National Highway 33 at Kusu Ofwi in Ranchi. The deceased has been identified as Laisram Nisikan from Rajbari Lanka of Assam. According to sources, the fatal accident took place on Saturday. A 3-day state-level training for trade union activists began at RPS Conference Hall in Visnupur district yesterday. Altogether, 25 women from different parts of the states are participating in the training program, organized by Datofan Tangadi National Board for Worker Education and Development, Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India and Regional Directorate, Secure Office, Complex Imphal. Imphal West District Police seized illicit liquor and arrested 13 persons during anti-liquor drive carried out in different parts of Imphal West last night. Around 300 liters of illicit liquor, including DIC and IMFL, was seized during the drive, a police report said today. The Chief Minister's level talks on the interstate boundary issue between Meghalaya and Assam will take place after the budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly. According to reports, the 10-day budget session of the Meghalaya Assembly will be held from March 13 to 26 next. Players' Day was widely celebrated across Manipur today. Department of Youth Affairs and Sports, YAS, Government of Manipur celebrated the day at Kumalampak Main Stadium, Imphal. YAS Minister Letpao Hawkiv, Commissioner Bobby Wycombe and Director Dr. K. Shyamsundar Singh attended the celebration. World number 1 Novak Djokovic of Serbia extended his unbeaten start to the season with a 6-1, 6-2 victory over Tunisian Malek Zaziri in the opening round of the Dubai Tennis Championships yesterday. Djokovic, who helped Serbia to victory in the ATP Cup before lifting his 8th Australian Open title last month, struck 22 winners and did not face a break point against wildcard Zaziri in a flawless display.